Introducing the IMES iCore Compact 350 and the Compact 350 Pro CNC micro milling machine. With a compact design of 760 by 790 by 860 and a weight of just 180 kilos, the Compact 350 is frequently used in companies where high precision is vital but space may be limited. Utilising precise EC servo technology, precision profile rail guides and an impressive repeatable accuracy of plus or minus 10 microns, this makes the Compact 350 particularly suitable for machining fine mechanical components and complex parts. IMES are well recognised for building compact high-precision CNC micro-milling machine tools, and the Compact 350 is the smallest version within our range with full 5-axis simultaneous movement. The machine is supplied with the latest Win remote control system, which uses the 5-axis Logosol control for ease of use, editing of programs for both one-offs and production runs as required. It also has a 20-station direct tool changer with tool changer chip protection. The main HF spindle has a maximum speed of 60,000 RPM, ideal for many applications including professional engraving, the milling of circuit boards and plates, small part machining and rapid prototyping. Wet and dry processing is possible thanks to the integrated cooling circuit. Aluminium, brass, chromium cobalt, steel, titanium, plastics, ceramics and most other materials can be machined. The complete control and power electronics are integrated in the machine's rear wall, and the machine is operated via a modern 12-inch touchscreen monitor. 0-point clamping systems and automation options are available, with an additional loading system configured for these machines. Highlights of this machine tool include 5-axis simultaneous movement, integrated coolant, 20-station direct tool changer with tool changer chip protection, HF spindle with up to 60,000 RPM, aluminium base construction, control PC with integrated 12-inch touchscreen. Frontal processing of the workpiece is possible when the B-axis is in a 90-degree position. Single phase 240 volt 16 amp power supply. Very compact design, made in Germany.